Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will do some copy work. So please take out your English notebook, hold the pencil and take out the scale. Now draw a line in the middle of the page and also sketch a margin line on the right side of the page. Now write CW on the top. Mention the date on the left corner 17/9/20. Now make a heading of singular on left side. SINGULAR. Now also make a heading on the right side. Plural. PLURAL. Singular means single, एक अकेला. Plural means more than one. As you can see, here we have a single ball. When we will talk about the single thing, person or animal, that will call singular, means ek, akela. Like here we have a single ball. So we will write here ball. 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 And as you can see, here we have two balls. And when we will change the singular into plural, we will add S with the same word. Like here we have ball. First we will tell you the spelling from here to here. Okay? First tell you the same spelling here. BALL. Ball. But because here we have two balls, and when we will change the singular into plural, we will add S with the same word. Balls. Here we have single ball and here we have two balls. Okay. Now come on the second word. As you can see, here we have a cat. It is single. We will write cat. 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 Okay. We will write just cat because it is single. We will not add S. But when we will convert it into plural, means into more than one. Here we have two cats, more than one cats. So first we will write this word as it is here in the next line. CAT. Cat. But because here we have more than one things, so we will add S. Here we have plural. Cats. Cat. Cats. Now as you can see, here we have a cap. We will write the spelling of cap. 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 Now as you can see, here we have two caps. Here we have single cap. Here we have more than one cap. Okay. Now tell me, what would you do to make it plural? Yes. First you will write the same spelling from here to here. CAP. Cap. But because these are more than one, what would you add? Yeah, you should add S to make it plural. Now here we have our plural. Here we have singular cap. Here we have plural caps. Now in singular, here we have a word chair. C H A I R. Chair is a thing and it is singular. Now we want to make it plural. So first write the same spelling from here to here. C H A I R. Now to convert it into plural, we will add S. Chairs. Here we have singular, chair. Here we have plural, chairs. Now here we have a word doll. Doll is a singular word. DOLL. Doll. Here we have singular, doll. Now we want to make it plural. So what would you do? First you will write the same spelling from here to here. DOLL. Doll. Now you should add S to make it plural. Singular, doll, more than one, dolls, plural. Now here we have our next word, dog. 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 Now we want to make it plural. Now try it by self. First write the same spelling here. Now you will add S. Dog, singular, more than one, plural, dogs. Okay? One thing, single thing will call singular. More than one things will call plural. Okay? एक अकेली चीज सिंगुलर वाहिद कहलाएगी. एक से ज्यादा चीजें प्लूरल जमा कहलाएंगी. वन में वन ऐड किया. Here we have plural. Till then we have a single thing. It will call singular. Okay? I hope all of you have finished this work with me. Now I will come soon with my next video. Till then, take care and also keep your work in practice. Okay? Allah Hafiz.